This is gold. For gold, we're still looking to short gold, but we have a look and watch the price of 1290. This line here. Uh, if this week the weekly candle break down this 12090, then we safely can short gold. But today, you can see that it's for the last few days still consolidation in this area for the 4 hours. Yes, it's consolidation that uh, we probably need to wait for today. And right now, for the 18th session, that for the 4 hours, it you can see MACD is downtrend, is heading up back to zero. So we could wait MACD back to zero to short for 1 hour. And for 1 hour, is clearly uptrend, is heading up. I believe that still it could be still a little bit up, comparing considering the US dollar that still have a little bit space to the downside. So maybe that's still going to head up a little bit. So for 4 hours like this, and if you want to short now, you can short now, but the stop loss probably higher at the 1300, and or you can wait um, to London session or US session that the price can head up a bit to maybe 1295 to this point, to the previous high, and or this price to short. So but overall, that we're still looking to short gold. If you can add a little bit, short a little bit here from here now, or you can once if the price is going up, and you can just add more. If 1296, 1295, yeah. So we short gold from this week.